Tuesday story time. My name is Emily and I'm an environmental educator here at Clay Pit Ponds State Park Preserve. I'm going to be leading us in story time today. Are you ready for story time? If you're ready, sit down on your story time rug and let's sing the hello song. Ready? We clap to say hello. We clap to say hello. With our friends from story time, we clap and say hello. We wave to say hello. We wave to say hello. With our friends from story time, we wave and say hello. We stomp to say hello. We stomp to say hello. With our friends from story time, we stomp and say hello. Great job singing, everyone. This week, we're learning about eggs. Can you all say egg? Say egg. Egg. Great. Can you say egg with a smile on your face, really happy? Egg. Can you say egg like you're grumpy? Egg. Can you say egg in a tiny little voice? Egg. Can you say egg in a really deep voice? Egg. Great job, everyone! That's right, we're learning about eggs. Have you ever seen an egg before? Maybe in your kitchen? Maybe you've eaten chicken eggs. Chickens lay eggs and some people eat them. Chickens are a type of bird. This egg I have right here is dyed blue, but some birds actually lay blue eggs. So we know birds lay eggs. What other type of animals lay eggs? Do turtles lay eggs? Yeah, that's right. Turtles do lay eggs. Do frogs lay eggs? Yeah, frogs do lay eggs. Do butterflies and other kinds of insects lay eggs? Yeah, that's right, they do. Do chipmunks lay eggs? No, chipmunks, like most mammals, do not lay eggs. They carry their young in their body, and then they will have their young live. Whereas some animals, the young are in the eggs, they are developing in here and will hatch out into babies. So let's pretend to be eggs and we're gonna hatch out into a baby animal, okay? So let's curl up into a little ball. So crouch down, put your knees in tight, make yourself as small as possible. Are you doing it? Great job, you make excellent eggs. So we're an egg and then we're gonna hatch out of our eggshell. Can you hatch out of your eggshell? Ready? Let's hatch out of your eggshell. Great job. Let's pretend to be specific animals hatching. So let's pretend to be a butterfly egg. Pretend to be an egg, and then hatch out of your shell. And then you've become a little caterpillar. Can you crawl around like a caterpillar? Crawl around. Great, and eventually these caterpillars will turn into butterflies. Can you flap your wings like a butterfly? Great job. Let's be an egg again. What are we gonna hatch into this time? Let's become frogs. So pretend you're a frog egg. And then hatch out of your egg. And baby frogs are little tadpoles. Can you swim around the water like a tadpole? Swim around. Great. And these tadpoles will eventually turn into frogs. Can you hop like a frog? Ready? Hop. Great job. Let's pretend that we're fish eggs. Ready? Hatch out of your egg and become a little baby minnow swimming around. Great. One more. Let's pretend to be bird eggs. So can you turn yourself into an egg? Great job. And hatch out of your egg. And you're a little bird. Cheep, 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 cheep. Mama, give me food. Cheep, cheep, cheep. And eventually you'll learn how to fly. So let's stand up and fly. Ready? Let's stand up. Let's fly around the room as birds. Fly, fly. Awesome, great job. Thanks for pretending to be eggs with me. Now let's sing a little song using eggs. So, you're gonna pause the video and grab a little prop. I'm gonna use these plastic eggs and I put beans, dried beans in them to make a little rattly sound when I shake them. So pause the video and grab some props, okay? Something that shakes. Got your prop? Okay, I'm gonna shake my eggs and I want you to dance along with me and sing if you can. Ready? We shake our eggs together, together, together. We shake our eggs together because it's fun to do. We shake our eggs up high. Can you bring your eggs up high and shake them? Shake them up high. We shake our eggs up high. We shake our eggs down low. Can you take your eggs and bring them down low and shake them? Give them a shake. Great. We shake our eggs down low. We shake them in the middle. We shake them so slow. Can you shake your eggs really slowly? Great. We shake them so fast. Give them a really fast shake. Great. We shake them to the right. We shake them to the left. We shake them all night. We shake our eggs together, together, together. We shake our eggs together because it's fun to do. Great job! Awesome job, guys, singing and dancing with me. Now, let's do some counting on our felt board. Ready? Let's go count on our felt board. Let's sit down. Okay, time to use the felt board. I'm gonna put some animals that hatch from eggs onto the felt board. And you guys can identify what animal we're looking at. I'm gonna say a rhyme as we go, and then at the end, we'll count up how many animals we have on our felt board. Ready? Lots of animals come from eggs, some with fins. What kind of critter is this? A fish. Great. Some with fins and some with legs. What kind of critter is this? An alligator. So lizards and reptiles lay eggs. Some that chatter. What is this? That's right, a kind of bird. It's called a magpie. Some that cheep. What do we got? Another bird, a little chick or a chicken. Great. And some that fly. What is this? That's right, a butterfly. Some that crawl. What do we got? Little caterpillar. Some that slither. It's a snake. Some that run. What kind is this? It's a type of bird. It's called an ostrich. Some birds don't fly. These guys run. Some with feathers. What do we got? Another bird. It's a flamingo. And some with none. What do we have? A frog. All right, let's say the rhyme again. Lots of animals come from eggs. Some with fins, some with legs. Some that chatter and some that cheep. Some that fly and some that creep. Some that slither and some that run. Some with feathers and some with none. The animals here, there are quite a few. How many animals hatch from eggs and lay them too? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that frog makes 10. We have 10 animals on our felt board. Great counting, everyone. Now, let's stand up and sing one more song before we go. All right, let's sing and dance together one more time. Ready? Do what I do. I'm a little egg, small and round. You can find me in a tree, underwater, or on the ground. Wait a little longer, my shell will crack, and soon I'll be saying, quack, quack, quack. Great job! I hope you had fun learning about eggs today. Eggs are really important because it helps the animal inside grow big and strong. Can you show me your muscles like you're an animal in an egg growing big and strong? Show me those muscles. Great job! Next time you're on the trail, keep an eye out for birds' nests. In the spring, that's when most birds will be laying their eggs. But if you see eggs, don't touch them. Also, you can look for vernal pools out on the trail. Those are bodies of water that will dry up in dry season, but in the spring, they'll be wet, and it's the perfect spot for frogs and other amphibians to lay their eggs. Pretty neat. Okay, you know what this means. It's time for our goodbye song. Ready? We clap to say goodbye. We clap to say goodbye. With our friends from Storytime, we clap and say goodbye. We wave to say goodbye. We wave to say goodbye. With our friends in Storytime, we wave and say goodbye. We stomp to say goodbye. We stomp to say goodbye. With our friends in Storytime, we stomp and say goodbye. Great job, everyone. See you next time. next week.